Go ahead, make my day, Mr. Trillanes! Yan mo! Sige ka lang, ngak dyan ng ICC. Sige! Go ahead! Kahit sumama ka pa, mag-serve ng warrant. Sumama ka, ikaw mismo magpusa sa akin. I leave my faith to God. Ano sabihin ni Lord? Na hanggang dyan ka lang, makukulong ka na, wala akong magawa. Basta ako, I cannot be remiss of my duty as the chairman of the Senate Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs. Trabaho ko po yan.
By virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say may be used for and against you in a court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.